3, 2, 1, go!
And they're off, and Auton with the Red Alliance shooting an abundance of fuel cells with their human players, making many of their fuel cell shots. On the Blue Alliance, 7160 shooting from their human player side of the field, making fuel cells into their activated hub. Switching over to the teleop portion of our match where the drivers take over. The robots spring to action. 6642 spinning around trying to find some fuel cells to collect, while their teammate 7109 and 288 both try to scoop some fuel cells over to their side of the field as well. It looks like on the Blue Alliance 7810, the Eagle Robotics seem to be stuck on a couple fuel cells, unable to move, but their teammate comes along, shoving them off, almost getting unstuck, but spinning around with about 3 fuel cells underneath them, successfully able to get themselves off. Now the Blue Alliance hub is active. 9176, the Green Spire Steel Surgeons shoot their fuel cells into their activated hub, while some defense was being played by the red side. 288 shoves an abundance of fuel cells back into their side of the arena, trying to collect those for when the Red Alliance side activates in 2 seconds. Switching over to the Red Alliance side, 288 shoots an abundance of fuel cells into their activated hub, scoring some points for them to help bring up their score. Their teammate 7109 tries to knock some fuel cells into the human player station to allow their human player to make those shots. 288 going and picking up more fuel cells with what looks like a broken rod on their intake system hanging loose that could potentially affect how they're picking up the fuel cells, but still grabbing many fuel cells from the beginning with some heavy defense from 9176 on their intake system as they go and collect fuel cells. It looks like their teammate 6642 is trying to pick up some fuel cells from inside of their Alliance station. It looks like that loose bar has come off of 288's machine, but they are still successfully picking up pieces from the ground. They will have to be careful when driving around that loose bar. On the Blue Alliance, 7810 seems to park itself doing some defense on the Red Alliance as they come into the middle section of the field. It's 5 seconds left in the match. 4, 3, 2, 1. This will be a close match. We have our scores. And the Blue Alliance takes it with a score of 175 to 169. Keeping 7160 in second place, that is the Ludington O-Box, and moving their teammates Eagle Robotics up to 28th, and moving their other teammate, the Green Spire Steel Surgeons, up to 20th.